Unveiling English Magic. Indefinite Quantitative Adjectives Unpacked. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on Grammar Fundamentals. Today, we're diving into the world of quantitative adjectives. Specifically, we'll be exploring the intriguing concept of indefinite quantitative adjectives. These are the unsung heroes that help us express quantities in a non-specific manner. Let's unravel their mystery. Before we delve deeper, let's clarify what indefinite quantitative adjectives are. They are a type of adjectives that we use to denote an imprecise or general quantity, as opposed to definite numbers or quantities. Examples of such adjectives are words like some, many, few, several, and all. While these adjectives give us some idea about the quantity, they do not specify the exact number. Now, let's understand how we use indefinite quantitative adjectives in sentences. These adjectives usually go before the noun they are describing. For example, I eat some cookies, or she read several books. Notice that we can't determine the exact number of cookies eaten or books read, but we do understand that it's more than one. Different indefinite quantitative adjectives can convey different levels of quantity. For example, few suggests a smaller number than many. All denotes the maximum possible quantity. It's important to choose the right adjective to express the amount you have in mind accurately. Now it's your turn. Try to form sentences using indefinite quantitative adjectives. This will help you to understand their usage better and to get a feel for when to use which adjective. You can also switch out the adjectives in your sentences to explore the subtle differences in meaning. For example, I have few friends has a different connotation than I have many friends. And that's a wrap on indefinite quantitative adjectives. Remember, practice is key in understanding and mastering these adjectives. We hope you found this lesson insightful, and we're confident you'll now be able to express quantities in English in a more nuanced manner. Happy learning, and until next time, keep practicing your English skills.